How to log in 7-Eleven earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into 7-Eleven earning. Login in 7-Eleven earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit 7-Eleven earning, type 7-Eleven earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you to the home page. Click on one person logo located at top right corner. Then tap on sign in or register. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your phone number. Input the phone number associated with 7-Eleven earning in the designated field. Click on continue. After entering your credential, click on continue button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.